Okay, hello guys. Today we're gonna go wash my Tesla Model Y 2021. We're gonna go on an Oakley car wash. I'm gonna show the whole process from the start to the end. Let's go. Okay, now we on an Oakley car wash. And to start washing your car, you gotta press the little car icon on the screen, and then you're gonna go to the service. And on the service, here you see the car wash mode. You gotta press that, and it's at enter car wash mode. Let's go. Сука, I was asking you if I'm good there. What was that? What was the sound of that?
This is your tire, okay?
That's my tire. I see.
Pull it up a little more.
What's up with the Oakley car wash? They sell it to somebody else? The services sucks right now.
No, they did not sell it.
They not sell it. Okay. No, let's do just interior wash. Just outside. Just outside.
Okay, it's gonna be $11.
Okay. That's crazy. The car wash is going crazy.
Put it in neutral and car wash mode.
I got it. The Oakley car wash was always the good one, and today is 12:51 p.m. and supposed to be like full service. But no, there is no full service. They're just exterior wash. For the interior wash, you gotta pay like extra $40. Crazy. The Oakley is going like, I don't know. Never again I'm gonna go here to wash my car. Let's see how it's gonna be. And look, actually, that's the middle of the day, and nobody working there inside of the car wash, where I could buy some stuff like whatever I need for my car, phone holders, ashtrays, blah blah blah. I don't know. They're not working. They don't wanna work. They don't wanna get money. How are they gonna work this way? I don't know. Okay, now we almost finish to always finish washing my car. Yeah, okay, I see that. I see that. Yes. Okay, that's crazy. I see that. Yes, yes, I see that, guys. Okay, thank you. And that's the experience of washing the car on here in the Oakleys. Actually, I'm gonna go right now outside and see what's happened with my wheel. Because when we go in a car wash, there was sound like I broke my wheel. Thank you. Yeah, I love it. Okay, now we go outside to check my wheel because the sound was super ridiculous. But no, it looks like everything is fine. Let's check the other wheel. Maybe there was the sound from the other wheel, but no, everything looks great. And that was my experience washing car on an Oakley car wash. It's not the service that they're supposed to provide to you. Alright, thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Give me thumbs up. See you on my next videos. Bye.